Parents have asked me, how will the children of Abel be integrated with the education system for higher learning? So what we are going to do is that, as we have said, that children will not have exams at least till the age of 12. Even at 13, we will not have official exams. We might just have tests for them to learn how to appear for an exam. It won't be an exam for a pass-fail, it will be an exam for learning how to give an exam. But at the age of 13, we are going to have the learner, or the child, the guides, and the parents in that order of priority together to discuss what are the abilities of that child. Maybe let's say the child is good at art, and then the child says, okay, I want to become an artist. We can ask, does the child want to give an exam, a certification exam for higher studies? The child says no, then we don't have to worry. The child can continue learning on their own and grow on their own, because they become self-learners. And in art, their art can be sold irrespective of what degree they have. People are buying art because of what the art is, not what qualification the artist has. Okay. But let's say the child wants to do further studies, and we say, okay, the child can appear for arts examination, 10th standard. They can appear for something known as NIOS, National Institute of Open Schooling. You choose 5 subjects. It is run by the NCERT, National Center for Education Research and Training. It is part of the CBSE board, Central Board of Secondary Education, and it is equivalent to CBSE. So you choose the 5 subjects. The child learns at home. There are examination centers, and then gives the exam over there and can pass the exam, and then go for 11th, 12th, which is recognized as any other 10th standard examination. There's 11th, 12th also for NIOS, National Institute of Open Schooling, and again the child can choose the arts stream of subjects. And then after 12th, the child can, based on the examination, appear for other open tests and do higher education. NIOS is not the only option. They can use to give an exam for using the state board, SSCs, State Board School Secondary Certificate, which each state has. And each state has the option to let children appear as an external candidate. Same is true for ICSE, same is true for IGCSE. Okay? So these are all options that the kids can opt for, and with parent support, because there has to be financial support that needs to be given for each of these examinations. We will prepare the child experientially from the age of 13, 14, 15, okay, and if required 16, to appear for the 10th examination. What I guarantee parents is that the child will score 60% in their 10th examination. We are not trying to train the children for a race, for competitive environments where they have to score 90, 95% and so on. Because we are teaching them experientially. And I can assure you, these children, even if they score 60%, they will retain more of the knowledge 6 months after the examination than the top rankers, because they have learned experientially. And they'll be better problem solvers. So in practicality of life, they will perform much better than others. Having said that, I am hoping that these kids will score 90% if they choose to. But it should be the choice of the learner, not the choice of the adults or the parents, and pushing the child to memorize things and do things that does not come naturally to them and appear in examinations out of fear. We want these children to appear for examinations out of passion, and what they learn with passion they would love, and they would be able to share it with the wider world, and they will do better. So I am trying to set some conservative expectations. In all reality, they would do much better than what I have stated right now. So these will do good, and they will then go further to do their higher studies, and they could do higher studies abroad as well. We will train them. We are getting international volunteers at the farm, so they can guide them as to what institution they can be part of. And if they are creative problem solvers, I'm sure that they will be able to create their own future, and not just a future but a bright future for themselves and for people they are connected with.